How to connect your PC to Wi-Fi without Ethernet cable and without adapter using phone. So if you want to connect your PC to Wi-Fi without Ethernet cable and without the adapter using your phone, then let's get started. As you can see that on the computer, it's not connected, the internet. So if you want to connect the Wi-Fi network without any Wi-Fi adapter or cable, then you need to connect your phone's data cable to your computer's USB port. But you need to prefer the USB cable that came with your phone when you bought it. If your phone asks, give the PC permission to access it. After that, you need to connect your phone to the Wi-Fi if it isn't already. After turning on your Wi-Fi or after connecting your Wi-Fi on your mobile device, you need to open up your phone's setting app and then turn on the tethering feature, which is if you're using your Google Pixel, you'll have the settings, and then under settings, you'll have network and internet, and then hotspot and tethering and USB tethering. Or if you're using your Samsung Galaxy, you'll have settings, connections, mobile hotspot and tethering, and then USB tethering. Or if you're using your Apple iPhone, then you can go with your cellular and then personal hotspot and personal hotspot again. In this way, you'll be able to connect your PC to the Wi-Fi without Ethernet cable and without adapter using your phone. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.